Is it going?
Yeah.
Hi, me and Brittany are going to do a video of us burping so you can see what it's like if we were to go against Ms.Brotsch. Okay, Brittany's going first.
Are you ready?
I think I am.
Okay, go ahead.
I don't even swallow. Are you ready? I'm trying to make it come out and it won't. Just like Ms.Brotsch.
Don't worry, Ms.Brotsch.
You're just chucking it like Ms.Brotsch. She's trying to get it to come, but it won't come.
You're not alone, Ms.Brotsch.
Okay, now she had hers. No, it was actually a fake one. Oh, that was fake.
I think it's
Okay, I think that's the last burp I can get out.
yeah.
Are you?
I think it's coming.
It's stuck. It's like right here and it won't come out. Just like Ms.Brotsch's. Although hers almost came out.
I did it earlier, now it just won't come out.
Well, you said you did a fake one. It won't come out. Okay. I think we should end this now.
Okay.
Because she won't burp.
Oh, we got a good one there. All right, we got Ms. Pereira is going to be next. She's trying to do a little something here. She's getting a little extra help with that carbonation there. She's multi-talented. Sings the Star Spangled Banner and she's going to burp. All right. Whenever she's ready. Oh, Ms.Brotsch, come on. That's quiet. All right, when you're ready, Ms.Brotsch, take your concentration, take some time. This is a very mental thing, too. Let her focus. We don't want it in the audience. Whenever you're ready. I don't know, you got 2 looks at. Come on, this is your contest. You're the one to contest here. Oh, stage fright. Oh my!
Come on, Ms.Brotsch! You can do it! You can do it! I think you should.
It's building. It's like that volcano in Iceland's building. It's building.
Does anybody else?
You're done, Wilson. Get out of there. Rochester, no. Oh, wait, she's ready. She's ready, baby.
Hey, you drink on the phone. Oh, this is not water.
you'll do it, right?
I was dedicated to Mr. Van.